the biggest reward which I think we have is whenever we see people or families who are living behind these dikes safely and enjoying their life with their families, it is like a satisfying feeling that, okay, we have done something, not just a technical task, but it is something worthwhile.
Flood mitigation and flood response is a collective effort. So our fervent hope is that this process will be continuing, and we are going to work together with the government and with communities to ensure that we mitigate and respond